StudyMode.com.
Okay, next one is also a very important question. Most probably they are asking this type of question. So we note this. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degrees, which is approaching to the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degrees. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. This is the question. So the question says, a straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. So we can draw a straight highway. Let this to be a straight highway. Let this to be the straight highway. And there is a tower. Let this to be the tower. This is the tower. Now, here is a car which is moving at a uniform speed. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degrees. Here is a man and this is his line of view or ray of view. He observes this car at an angle of depression 30 degree. Means this angle is 30 degree. So here this angle is also equal to 30 degree because these are two parallel lines, a pair of parallel lines, and this is a transversal. So these are one pair of alternate angles, and so it is equal. The measures of the angles are equal. Now after 6 seconds, the position of the car is here. The position of the car is here. The angle of depression of the car now is 60 degree. The angle of depression means this is the angle of depression which is equal to 60 degrees. So here also the angle is 60 degree. The time taken to move from this point to this is equal to 6 seconds. Time t is equal to 6 seconds, and we have to find out the time taken to move from this. Here the time is equal to, we are taking the time is equal to t. Time is equal to t. Here time is equal to 6 seconds, and we are naming it as A, here it is B, and here it is C, and it is D. Now we have to assume the speed of the car. Let the speed of the car to be, let the speed of the car is equal to x meters per second. Speed of the car is equal to x meters per second. Speed is equal to x meters per second. So here also speed is equal to x meters per second. So the length dc can be found out. The length dc is equal to, therefore distance dc is equal to speed into time. Speed into time means x into 6 is equal to x into 6 is equal to 6x meters. 6x meters. This is 6x. And the length AC or distance AC is equal to, similarly AC is equal to speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. That means t into x or x into t. X into t, which is equal to tx meters. Now we are assuming the height of the tower to be h. Height of the tower is equal to h. Now h is the opposite side of 60 degree, and this is tx is the adjacent side of 60 degree. So we are taking opposite side, adjacent side, which is equal to tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to AB by AC. AB by AC. That means the value of tan 60 root 3 is equal to h divided by tx. H divided by tx. Cross multiplying, h is equal to root 3 into tx. Equation number 1. We are taking it as equation number 1. H is equal to root 3 into tx. Now again, h is the opposite side of 30 degree and AD is the adjacent side. So we are again taking tan of the angle 30, tan 30. Again, tan 30 is equal to opposite side AB by adjacent side AD. AB by AD. The value of tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3, which is equal to h divided by tx plus 6x. tx plus 6x. Again cross multiplying h root 3. h root 3 is equal to tx plus 6x. tx plus 6x means h is equal to, here we can take x as a common factor. This is equal to x into t plus 6, the whole divided by root 3. This is equation number 2. We are naming it as equation number 2. From 1 and 2, we can compare, or the left sides are equal, so we can equate the right sides also. In equation number 1, left side is x. In equation number, left side is x, which are equal. So, the right sides are also equal. We can equate from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, we get root 3 into tx. Root 3 into tx is equal to x into t plus 6 divided by root 3. This x and x can be cancelled. Now cross multiplying root 3 into root 3. 3 into t is equal to t plus 6. That means 3t, we are taking t to the left side of the equal sign, it is minus t is equal to 6. That means 2t is equal to 6. Therefore, t is equal to 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 3. That means time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower is equal to, that is, time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from the point is equal to 3 seconds. So, we arrived at the result that the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower is, we assumed it to be t seconds and the value of t is 3. That means the time taken from the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point C is 3 seconds. Okay.